Oh, look at that.
Seriously, stop doing this. Jetta, 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 Jetta.
Show you how to fix a leaking tire. Now, right here you can see where it was bubbling. So you get yourself a tire repair kit like this slime kit from like Walmart, and this tool you use to make the hole bigger.
Why?
Why? So you could fit the rubber repair in it. So press hard. What we're actually doing is breaking. Some of the wiring in the tread of the tire with this thing. We're making the hole big enough to put the repair patch in.
Okay, I think it's big enough. Don't try too hard.
It's not.
You should make the hole.
As you can see. It goes in and out like that. So we prepare our tire plugs. They're like that. We got one open in here. We gotta put them in here. So it works like that. Gotta feed it through like that. Like that in the middle. So when it goes in the hole, it'll be pressed in and stay there. But for it to go in easier, it lubricates it with glue, rubber cement. So you put some rubber cement on here like that, so you can put it in easier. And you pull this out slightly and you put some rubber cement on that. And then you go in and out, in and out. So the rubber cement gets in a little bit. Oops, I tightened it too much, broke the cap. So pull it out and then put the patch right in. Watch this.
Uh-oh.
Gotta press hard. Go on this side. Like that. It's in. You push it in a little bit more. See how it's sticking out a little bit? That's good. You could twist it a little bit and then pull out like that. It's in there.
Wow.
There you go. That tire patch is in.
Is it gonna stay like this?
It'll stay like that. It'll wear out. You could cut it off or burn it off. You could light it with a lighter. Let's light it because we like fire.
No, it's fine. No.
Come on. Don't know if that's gonna work.
Да ладно, Сереж. Все.
It kind of melts some rubber and melts it together. Oh my goodness, this glue leaked out. I wonder if the glue burns. Let's see. Oh yeah, it burns good, doesn't it? Put the glue back in here.
Can you stop the fire?
Look at that, it's going. I know.
George, it's all going on me.
There. Look at that. You just go, boom. Tire's done. Look at it. Well, that was kind of fun. Not only can you see how to drive stick shift or have fun in my vlogs, but you may have noticed I have a whole bunch of car hauling videos. And if you want some one-on-one car hauling consultation or advice on how to get started in your car hauling career from the smallest to the largest, all the way to which companies are up and coming, are good to buy, which car hauling companies are good to buy, which ones have failed, and you can buy some of their remaining assets at a discount and add to your car hauling empire. So leverage from my connections. Go to searchthecarhauler.com and click on the appointment button to talk to me, and I can give you some consultation that will help your car hauling American dream go to the next level.